Want to make a YouTube search on CapCut? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application CapCut. Once you're inside your application, click on New Video at the very top. It will open up a gallery. Select the video that you would like to upload it as a YouTube search. Once selected, tap on Add. Once the video has been uploaded here, at the bottom, swipe left and you will see ratio. Click on it. You have to select 9:16 as it is the ratio of YouTube search. Click on the stick icon. Once done, now you can edit this video as per your need. Once you are done editing all the things, tap on Export at the top right corner. Select the resolution, frame rate, and then once again click on Export at the top right corner. Click on Save to Device. The video will be saved into your device. Once it has been saved, now head over to your application YouTube. Click on this plus icon at the bottom of the page. It will open up the camera. Click on this add icon. Select the video that you have saved before and then click on Next. Tap on Done. Now edit the video with all of this feature if needed and then click on Next. Now enter the caption, choose the visibility, select audience and click on Upload Search. After that your video will be uploaded and then you will be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.